Hello, welcome again to Androidia channel. In today's video, we will talk about best Google Chrome features. Yes, of course, to make your life easier. So first of all, can you see these tabs up there? If you pin this tab, for example, it will be stuck up there in the corner and it will not close even if you close the window. What's the benefit of doing this? As I told you, if you close the window, the pin tab will stick there, and you can see it if you open the new tab with the same Gmail. Let's do it practically. I'm going to close the window, and then I'm going to open the same Gmail, the same Chrome, and look, the same tab that I pinned earlier it show up here. And if you will press Ctrl Shift T, all the tabs that I opened recently, it will reopen again without pin them. But if you pinned them, you don't need to press Ctrl Shift T. Now I'm going to pin some more tabs. You can pin whenever or whatever tab that you need to in your Chrome browser, so you can operate easily. Once you need it, just click on it, as I did earlier. Another feature of Google Chrome is group and group tabs. Yes, you can group and group some tabs and you can easily reach to them. I'm going to open some more tabs. For example, these tabs about how to earn money. Okay, I opened 3 tabs related to how to earn money. And these 3 tabs, I want to add them in one group. So just select a tab and then click on Add to New Group. Now it will ask the name of the group. Just name anything the group that you want to, and it is easy for you. And select the color, and then these are some more things that you can just do it by yourself. It is so easy. I just named this the group, and I selected the yellow color, and I can add new tab in the group. So this new tab has been opened for this yellow group, which I just make it earlier. Or you can add new tab, the open tabs in the group by just clicking on the tab and then add to group, and then select the group that you create earlier. Again, I'm going to create another group to show you how easy it is and how good and easy to reach to all the tabs without doing anything. Okay, just let me, once you click on the group, it will open all the tabs, and you just click another click, it will close all tabs in one tab. Look, I'm going to create another group. For example, this is the old one. Add new group, then new group. Again, name the group. I'm going to select this name or type this name, and then just select the color of the group. Let's go with green or red one. Then you can close the group, you can ungroup the tabs, and you can do more such things as a showing, and then add new tabs or open tabs in the earlier group by doing like this. Again, click on the tab and then add to new group, and then select the group, the red one that I created earlier. And then these are the tabs that are in this group, and these are and click on it, it will show up again, and click on it, it is in the group. Change tab positions. You can press Shift and in your keyboard, and 2 tabs which are next to each other, you can change the position of these tabs like this, and you can change the position of selected tabs if they are apart from each other, like this tab and this tab. they are apart from each other, you can click or press Control, and then just remove the tabs whenever you want to. All these Chrome features are amazing and so useful. Go and just try them. And don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, and you can comment below whenever you have question about tech related videos. Thanks for watching.